Hey, and what is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. No vlog, well, I don't know if it's a vlog or a video, but I'm sorry about that. I forgot I was wearing my bike. I forgot I was riding my bike outside, and I put my helmet. Hold off. And today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime with game. Well, I'm not going to be showing you, I'm going to be telling you. So this is more of a challenge for you guys. My brother and my cousin made something, but it was something about eyes, and I'll do that in part 2. That's right, part 2, not part 4. Because I'm holding up 2, but part 2. It's not 4 because I'm holding up 2 2s, but it's gonna be part 2. So stay around for that. I might post it next week, probably next week, probably on Friday. On Friday, I'm gonna go to my cousin's house. If you guys are wondering what I have, how to make this, I made it at Scouts. I'm going to tell you how to make it. First up, you need napkins, water, bowl, gain, glue, a fork or spoon, and I think I already said water. Yeah, I already said it. And a napkin. I think I already said that too. The reason why you need a napkin is because if you accidentally get any of the stuff on your hands, and if you don't have water to, like, if you put too much again. But you lose the liquid gain, kids. Lose the parents at home. If you are watching this, make sure that your kids lose liquid gain if you want them to make this. Look how stretchy it goes. But I'm going to go as far as I can right now. Hold up. First I'm going to make a worm, okay? I don't want to really what to do. Okay, so I was singing a song, if you know what it was. Okay, I'm going to sing a song, I'm going to hum a song, and you have to guess what it is. The comments down below, then I'm going to tell you exactly how to do this in the right orders. And guess the song I'm going to sing. Hold up. First I have to think of the song. Okay, I didn't sing the whole song, but I saw most of it. So leave a note in the comments down below. Oh my God. Hold up. Leave in the comments down below if you're in Miss Torres' class at Orange Grove. That's right, if you were thinking Orange Grove, I did mean the actual color, orange. I did. So, in orders, first you have to put the glue, paint, mix it, or you can do food coloring, and then put the gain, mix it, and then make sure that you add enough. And then, whenever it's mixing, it should not be sticking that much. And then that's how you make this. Alright. And then, whenever it stops sticking, you have to start mixing with your hands. And go like that, or you can do it like that. Just toss it in hands. But don't go like, don't do any of that. Do not put it in your hair. Do not put it in your mouth. Do not put it in your eye. And do not put it in your pants. I'm sorry. That was pretty funny. I'm sorry because my teacher, Miss Torres, wrote this book called Owen, and he had a blanket, and his parents were telling him about the blanket Tooth Fairy, and he hid his pants in him while he goes to sleep so that the blanket Tooth Fairy didn't get it. And there's no such thing as a blanket Tooth Fairy. Because how can Tooth Fairies do this? Ow. I scratched my gums. They hurt. Okay, so let's get on to the end of the video. Bye, guys. Woo!